Hello, welcome back to another episode. In this one we're going to have a little walk around of the Moke so you can see the work that M Parts have done to the bodywork. The Moke, it's a Mark 1 body shell with some parts of it are Mark 2, so on the bonnet you'll see later on the brackets are a little bit higher. So somewhere along the production line apparently they were running out of Mark 1 parts, so there were a few Mokes built that were a bit of a sort of mishmash, so this is really what we'd call a Mark 1.5 really. So as you can see, I'll do a still shot, the higher up bracket for the bonnet, and in typical fashion it's gone blurry. So with the body all looking great, and one of the Moke's faults is it's got lots of flat sides on it, so it's often too easy to just lay stuff on the side of it. There are sort of pictures of it when it's going down the production line with the workmen having various tools and that resting on the body shells of brand new Mokes that they're making, so you can never be too cautious. So that's it, that's the end of this video. Until next time, I'll be seeing you.